afternoon ครับสวัสดีครับ so before we get into the presentation, I think we've all heard a lot of good presentations, and certainly I did, and it's very inspiring to see a lot of technology. The speaker before me, and I'm sure the speaker after me, will be talking a lot more about how technology is improving operations and maintenance of roads, and trying to have a better safety and management of the roads. So here, the agenda to here today is just to introduce you to a new company, a new kid on the block for the road industry, and I think what we are different from others is that we're trying to improve the last mile user experience for road contractors. So we're not claiming that we're the best AI or the best machine learning just yet, and we're looking forward to any partnerships available outside. But what we are really committed to is we're trying to improve the last mile user experience. So we're not trying to be an ERP, but we're trying to be a project management tool that is very valuable for road contractors. So Nila Solutions just reached our first birthday a couple of weeks ago. We are the joint venture between Tipco Asphalt Group and Skyler, which is the subsidiary company of ARV, in turn the subsidiary of PTTEP Public Company Limited. So where the two comes into play is that Tipco Asphalt, again, been in the industry for 40 years, the regional leader in asphalt solutions in the region, and ARV and Skyler, the leader in Thailand and soon to be in the region for robotics, AI solutions. So that's our partnership. Where we add value are in the 4 stages of the entire stream of road construction. And the first, we try to, I've seen a lot of weighbridge solutions provider here. So we are trying to link these weighbridge solutions to our platform, acting as an Internet of Things or IoT. So that's the first part where we add value. The second part is we try to manage the stockpile inventory as well as the cost control of hot mix plant. The reason we start off with asphalt because that's where most of the money is in terms of asphaltic road construction. So we want to target these two for both inventory management as well as cost control. Lastly, we cannot make all of it happen if we just have the back office handled. So we want to see what road construction progress is being made at the site. So we use a variety of data inputs from drone data input, drone flights, UAV, as well as I'll show you in a video how road supervisors, road construction foremen can input daily work report easily into our platform as well. So these are the 4 key data inputs we have for our platform. So I have a little video for you. Please take a look first for the video. Which has all the data uploaded from both the drone survey images as well as the user using the platform on site. Again, we are linking these data to the weighbridge, so they automatically sync the data to our platform. So the road contractors, employees, they don't have to double work or do work 2 times. One doing the traditional way and the other inputting into our platform. We also link our platform platform to a line. So if anyone's used to the service by Kasikorn Bank called Khun Thong, this bot goes into the line group of the road contractors, extract the information of the road progress, and then input it into our system. So seamless integration of data flow from on-site without changing the behavior of the road contractors too much. Again, we try to improve the last mile user experience by not changing the behavior of road contractors. Finally, the last module of the platform is once all the data is in place, we can actually see the progress monitored by the drone input, as well as I mentioned, the line daily report. Lastly, it wouldn't all matter if we don't know the cost of the project. So we have a cost control module designed specifically for asphaltic pavement works. Thank you. So I'll touch a little bit upon our machine learning. There's a lot of topics today in our conference about machine learning. I'm not going to go into the details, but again, we develop our own machine learning. So we do two things. We do stockpile classifications, and we also do road layer classification. And that's been accomplished by the fact that we've collected a lot of data from sites. I think in the end we should have around 200,000 images per type of road layer, per type of aggregate, to be able to have a working machine learning model, AI model. And that's the bread and butter of Nila solutions as well, to be able to identify both the types of stockpile as well as the road layer, and that prevents human error as well as being able to process a lot of data at the same time. So again, we really want to create a solution where we help road contractors better manage their projects, and we see that to be able to do that, we have to improve the last mile user experience. I'll go through each of the module quickly, and if you have any questions at the end, please feel free. So again, in the first module, we focus on the hot mix plant and the inventory management. The input of the data comes from drone survey as well as user input and Internet of Things. So essentially it's a material balance problem or solution where the drone does an audit of the stockpile, the weighbridge constantly input data in and data out for us to have a materials balance for the projects or for the hot mix plant. And the three ways in which both the contractors input data, the weighbridge as well as the drone, they cross-check each other. So we are not saying that one or another way data input is the correct way, but I think to have data from various different sources allows management to better make decisions. The next related module is the cost control, which I will not go into too much detail, but essentially we want to help the road contractors manage costs of asphalt production as well as to manage or have a trend of what the different materials are, the prices are, so they can make better informed decision with the price. And in the third module, we have the road progress construction module, where again we have data from drone survey, which we do on a regular basis, and the drone, including the AI, is able to detect each layer of the road as well as how much work is done. That compared to the daily report we collect from the line each day where the road contractors input their data on a daily basis together. They can compare whether the daily report is accurate or we have inconsistency in the reporting. So again, this is in the pilot phase where we are testing, and we're going to launch at the end of this month to our selected contractors, Tipco Asphalt customers. I'm very excited for this project to happen and see how we can really improve the last mile customer experience. So this is a photo of our entire ecosystem and how we seamlessly integrate into each of the value points in the whole value chain of road construction. Again, the theme is to be able to improve the last mile user experience. It's quite futile, or it will not be effective if we have a very efficient platform, very well designed data collection, but user experience in the last mile is not being addressed. Also, other services that we offer on top of what we already offer, including drone auditing, map or high resolution maps, as well as project management consultation. But these are in the first phases we use in conjunction with the platform. So I think that comes to the end of my presentation. If you have any questions or any comments, you can please reach me when I get off the stage. Again, I would like to introduce again Nila Solutions to the public, and appreciate your support or any potential sponsorship or partnership that we can work together to really improve the last mile user experience of road contractors, and together bring value to this very complicated and tedious process in road construction. ขอบคุณครับ